This one we're going to be doing Facebook poster, text, image, link, and video post. I'm going to create a new one. And we'll start with the text. We're going to choose the page that we're going to, and if we have set up an auto reply template, we're going to choose it here, and that's going to be, if you go into the Facebook poster and auto reply template manager, then that's where you're going to find these here, and that's where you're going to build these. So when we post it, this is what it's going to look like. So why would you post through ZappyChat other than going through just on your Facebook page? The reason being is because you can set up a reply template. So if you put in anything in there and anybody comments under there, you can have the template respond to what you want it to do. So same thing with a link is if we go in here, we just put in a link here. And then it'll show the link or the page that you're actually trying to post right to your page. Same thing with an image. You can go back in here. You can either upload an image or you can grab one from the internet. Let's just go really quick to so let's see if we want this one here. I don't suggest going and stealing other people's images, but I'm just going to grab this information just so you can see. So we're going to copy the image address on this one. I'm going to paste it in there. And as you can see, it pulls it right in. So you can either enter the URL of the image or you can upload a new image. Same thing with the video. You can go in and you can upload a video. If you upload a video, it's going to be a short video. Or if you want to enter a YouTube video, just going to go to YouTube real quick. And let's say if we want to share this video here, we're going to copy this link. We're going to paste it right there. And as you can see, it pulls it right in. So you can post this video right to YouTube. Again, so if you have your own YouTube channel, if you want to put your own videos on, you just put in the YouTube URL. And then, again, the reason why you'd want to do it this way is so you can use the template manager. So if somebody comments underneath there, then what it does is it'll go through and it'll ask you whatever questions or anything like that, anything that you have in the auto reply. So that is the Facebook poster, text, image, link, and video post.